It can't go all the way through because the clips, the C-clip and the washer that are there.
Can't put or gonna push it down.
Yeah, so that one already.
Wow. Oh, so it has. Wow. Shaft has to be in there.
Yeah, the shaft has to go first, and then.
So are you getting too close, sir?
A lot of race car stuff. It actually probably doesn't even need this much oil.
I think it does.
I'd rather be.
Your technique there.
Thanks. Should be good.
Still off to one side, right?
No, it's actually centered.
Okay. Just keep on going. Watch it. Here, how about right there?
Yeah.
Now check it out. Check it out. Is it going in right? Or here, you hold. You hammer it, and I'll hold it over.
Just careful with the threads on that.
Yeah.
This needs to go a little bit more.
Let me try it again. A little homemade invention here. I feel like I need a.
I didn't think it actually was, but it's a super light tap.
Ready? Ready? Oh, is it?
That's good. It's straightened out.
Gucci. Okay, so that's the old stuff, right?
Yeah. I'm also in the
What are you doing, sir?
putting on the O-ring. All the dirt,
Perfect.
extra sealing powder. Nice.
Come on. Like a technique there.
Take it, sir.
Stroking. It's okay to laugh here in the winning. We do a lot of that. We probably do that more than actual winning. Oh, baby. And marker. And action. Okay, I have it recording. Perfect. Don't work too hard, cameraman.
Oh yeah, look at that! Look at that technique.
Skills.
And I'm zoomed in right here. Jesus. I get it.
The money. That's the money shot.
Should probably go like a little lower.
Oh, even lower. Oh, baby.
Mm-hmm. That's what she said.
Is it going?
Yeah.
The dead blow hammer. You scratchy it. Nice.
Feel?
Very beautiful.
Perfect.
Nice.
Scratch it. I don't like it.
Do it again. Redo it. All right. What's next? The diff.
Yep.
Great. You ready for her?
Oh man.
You ready for her?
Yeah.
I like how we have a workbench, a bench, and we're doing it on the floor. We have progress.
Oh.
Now.
It's recording.
that some oil.
Huh? Oil?
Where everything needs to be perfectly.
Lubed?
Yep.
Perfectly and overly lubed. Got it?
If the paint works out the way that I hope it does, we should be able to get this finished. Or at least set up.
I'm okay with saying like making progress. I'm okay with those words. I don't like that. Anything else? I've experienced too much here in this garage.
Oh. Threads dirty.
Make you got it.
Yeah.
Is it meshed over here with this little gear tooth? With this?
Yes.
Okay. So you want me to get, what do you want me to get? Toothpaste or food coloring? Or the not the food coloring, the children's paste?
All three.
Yeah, I think both should be fine. We can just kind of play with it and see what it does.
Okay. Do we have to run some sort of like oh, we're not gonna put no gasket maker, right? Just contact, just to.
Yeah.
Let me go get this. Yeah, I got it. Can you pick it up high? Pick it up high. I got it.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now we can shift that way. Okay. And I'm hold it. Just so I can. There we go. Is that good enough? I'm gonna put it like a wood block here so that it doesn't rotate. Where's the, what is it? 14?
I think so.
That's right inside here, right?
Yeah.
Careful, careful, careful. I don't know why I do it. Get everything out of the way a second. Okay. We gotta look at these gears.
Okay, so it's too far forward.
What's too far forward?
The way that it's meshing, so it needs to go
To the right?
inwards this side.
This side needs to go inward?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta hold it and
It's actually almost there. I did it the last time, so.
oh, I don't know how I did it either. I just think I just found a spot like up here or something. You have to hold it, like hold it.
Yeah.
Ah. You ready? More or less?
More. Yeah, you know, you're off like a good. That should.
One more?
One more.
One more half turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mark it with a pen or something.
Oh, we need to wipe that off now.
Yeah.
Right there. What did I do with it? It's over here behind you. Paper towels. You can just mark a different gear too. Oh, look,
Yeah.
it all came, actually came out pretty good. Watercolors. Children's watercolors. That's the trick.
Follow me for more life tips.
Mechanic stuff. That's an engineering thing. To use what you got. You don't always got the right stuff, but you always got stuff
That could be used correctly.
that could be used incorrectly for the correct thing. Think about it. Sounds confusing, but it's not.
Just want to get way in there.
Can't believe this water cooler thing. Don't drop it. Blow your fingers. Bro, like really close to my face. Can practically taste the takis.
Vamos.
Oh, that's a flamas. I never knew you were such an artist.
I probably did the wrong.
Is that you, Picasso?
What do you mean?
I think I'm supposed to paint the pinion.
It's the same thing. It's all gonna mesh eventually, right?
Yeah, so I
Okay.
was like, it's technically something.
Put on me.
Let's see if we can kind of cheat a little and just use letters.
Oh, look how easy it is, man. Oh, it's in, dude. That's it. It's in. Just give it a couple bolts. Life hacks. Life hacks. Life hacks.
If you had to do
Good,
your
dude.
channel locks, I could probably.
That's good, dude. We're already like, just gotta get them.
What are you doing, Gus?
Unbolting bolts.
Unless it like really dried.
Gus is coming out the wrong hole. What's happening there?
My one was asleep.
I'll send it to you later. This could be you.
Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it.
It'll work.
Yeah, that way. But I'm just trying to make some quick, so we have to come out a little bit.
Oh, we're gonna.
Rotate it, right?
Yeah.
Just like, so it doesn't hit the.
Good work.
Got it or no?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna try to get it from here. And got 3 nuts down there. Bring it up more. Hold on, let me. Ready? Oh. Might should be the best we're gonna get right now. Try it.
It should be fine.